Well, today I am going to show you a few things. Number one, I'm gonna cover some of the window seals on this vintage 1995 Airstream Landjet motorhome behind me, and I'm also going to show you our branding decal of our Alien. So if you see us, you'll spot us by the Alien on the side window next to the door, and also a very functioning key ring that I installed inside the Mothership for use of key hanging to get them out of my pockets. What we usually do when we go camping is I usually don't take our car keys unless we're going to be towing it behind the Airstream, of course. But it's just a handy place to get them out of the way, and I always know where to get them when we're set up at our base camp for the week or weekend or however long we go. So enjoy this video. I hope it don't bore you too much. Just another DIY and a couple of updates on the Airstream that I wanted to feature in this video. So we'll see you at the end. It leaves a little opening here and there, but it shrank, so I'm just retacking it in. Back here I might have to get up on a step stool. You can see it's just more cosmetic, and it does stop some of the water from getting down in there. But then we'll be all done putting these rubber seals back in place. And here was up in the corner, it was kind of sticking out, so I stripped this, or took the strip out, and I'm going to try to work it back in just like that. These things over time, from what I'm hearing, just kind of, the rubber loses its elasticity. So I'll show you after I'm done popping this back in what it looks like normalized. Pop that back in nice and tight. Right, see up in this corner, down in this corner, how it shrank. Well, I'm going to take it out. It's like I showed you on that other side. See how that comes right off. And then I'm going to seal it all together. It's a world of difference. Okay, fixed all these seals on all these windows by simply just taking out the old and retracking them all. And now there's no gaps in the corners like there was. Well, I hope you enjoyed our updates and maybe learned something from the rubber seals. You can actually buy that rubber sealing. I just am too cheap to do that sometimes if I could just fix what's currently there. And there's no leaking in our windows. So it wasn't a priority to go out and purchase the new rubber for that. So thanks for coming by. I really appreciate the support. Like, comment, and share below. If you have any suggestions for future videos you'd like to see other than more travel, I love more travel. But during the summer is kind of my downtime for travel, where we just kind of tinker with things and prepare for our longer term travel towards the end of the year. So thanks again for coming back, and we will see you soon.